Hello and welcome to Pilot Central. I've been a pilot for over 40 years, earning ATP ratings in both helicopters and airplanes. I also have done considerable hours of instruction in both and served as an FAA designated pilot examiner. With the demands on everyone's time increasing, I look for ways to minimize and efficiently use the time I needed to spend on the computer every day. Over the years, as technology on the internet developed, I saw the opportunity to have one central place to check and respond to emails, do flight planning and weather checking, and have all my resources that I needed, not the ones other people picked for me, but the ones that I needed, all in one central web desk. Another issue I tried to address is preventing my mail from being ignored by an instant identification of who I am through my email address. On this site, you will find in one place most everything you need to conduct your branded email correspondence, flight planning, and organization of the resources you need through a unique, easy-to-use accordion-type tool. In addition to do-at and do-ats, we have arranged at much reduced rates for enhanced weather and flight planning services such as nFlight that take your flight planning to a whole new level. You will also be able to post a bio, videos, and pictures to make the general public and other pilots aware of what you do and what you can do for them. They will be able to find you through a geographical search matrix on the front page of the site. Shortly, we will allow the public to post that they would like to go for a flight near their location, and if you want to participate, you will get an email with their contact information. Please take some time to review our site at FAAPilotCentral.com and send us an email at info@FAAPilotCentral.com if we can answer any further questions. I'm just going to take a moment to show you some features of the site. This we're looking at now is the home page. This is the public page. This is where the public can go and search. For instance, up here at what are you looking for? Let's say that somebody's looking for an FAA instructor. And he put in a zip code. And we'll use a 10-mile radius search. Let's say they're looking for an aircraft multi-engine land instructor. And they're trying to get a commercial rating. Now when we hit the search button, it's going through the database and pulling everybody that meets that criteria. Now you see we have one person listed that's a member of our group and that's flagged with a green flag. It then goes on after that to list the entire FAA database of the people that meet that criteria. Now, if we click on the flagged person, and there may be several people that are flagged depending on if they're members of our organization in that zip code, you get a picture of their bio, and it tells something about the person, and it gives photo albums, and you can go through their photo albums, the types of airplanes, etc. Or it can actually play a video. I'm not going to take the time to play that now, but they would click here and there would be a video. So you could find somebody, get to know them, be an instructor. That could be a mechanic, it could be a flight surgeon, it could be any member of Pilot Central. Now for members that use this, they have of course their email address. Now they would click on mail and they would have to log in. And I'm going to log in right here. And we'll use this account to look at this. And you can see it's loaded the webmail. So this is just a full service mail program. It has contacts, calendar, anything you would normally do in a mail program. The next thing is the resources section. And as you can see, we've got a lot of resources already filled out here. This is resources on airplanes. These are all links. If you were looking for Beechcraft factory parts, you've already set up this link. And inside in profiles we have a video on how to do all this. It's very simple. Okay, we'll go back to Pilot Central, and just many different links that are in here. Another feature with weather and flight planning. You set up a default weather program, and it just took you to that default weather program. And here you could see all different types of weather. It could be, in this case it's in-flight, could be duet or duets. And then you can also return to Pilot Central from within those programs. The next thing is your profile. And in this profile is where you set up all the information and decide whether or not you want the public to see it, whether or not you want to participate in ride shares, forward emails, and whatever. So this is just a real brief detail of what's available in Pilot Central and how it works. Thank you. Happy flying.